Hey everyone, my name is JC Chonowski, aka Mr. Christmas, and I am so excited here to talk to you about how to successfully own and operate your very own Christmas light installation company. In 2016, when I started Patriot Illumination, it was just my father, Brian, and I. We live in an area of less than 400,000 people. There is only one other Christmas light installation company in the area, so the consumers or the homeowners were not very aware of our services. That was a challenge and obstacle that we had to get through over the past few years to educate our customers on the services that we offer. Over the years, we have successfully scaled and grown our company to allow us to do that $950,000 in 2022 with as many as 22 employees, with both residential and commercial clients. So that tells you that no matter how big or small your area is, there is a need for Christmas light installation services in your area. In these videos that I'll be making for you, we will go through every single fundamental of how to successfully own and operate your very own Christmas light company, to include branding, marketing, sales, training, inventory, and more. Thank you so much for your time in watching our videos, and we wish you nothing but the best.